Oh, hi guys. Welcome to my channel once again. The previously I tried to scrape for the higher authority in a company like CEO, owners, founders, CDO, CFOs, marketing, directors, partners, co-owners. And right now, what I'm going to show to you is a program that we're going to capture those higher tiers and also the phone numbers of the company. Okay. Now, let me show you my spreadsheet once again. Now, the spreadsheet, I have the spreadsheet here, but those are already scraped. And these are CSV files, Python resources, in CSV, yeah, and Excel worksheet. But we're not going to use these. We're going to use a blank Excel sheet. So you can see here, it's blank. It's all blank. And this is 97 um, companies in Canada, and they are all from the industry of construction or contractors, constructions, right? So I'm going to close that out. I'm going to initiate the program, and we're just going to clear screen. Now we're going to run the program. By the way, this program, it will not going to use the search engine Google search. Instead, we're going to use Bing search. Okay, because Bing doesn't have much of a anti-blocking tool or anti-scraping um, system, right? I mean, we can scrape 1,000 a day, but to make it secure or to make it sure that we're going to get the right data, we're going to get 100 or below 100. Okay, and because we're going to use Selenium in Chrome WebDriver, right? And then Python capture data.py. Okay. And then the province that we're going to get, let's see, British Columbia. Okay, I'm going to select the file, not here. I'm going to leave it blank. Okay, okay, it's scraping right now. That's one. No phone number. Okay, there's a phone number. One. That's one. That's another one. This is only an example. Okay, we're just trying British Columbia, but you can also search some provinces in Canada, Ontario, right, Alberta, and other provinces. In Yeah, we can also change our code to search the companies or industries in that country or other country like United States or New Zealand, Australia, in any parts of the globe. So we already scraped 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So 10 because there's no phone number in the first company. And yeah, we're next time we're going to use we are also going to put their company email address or yeah their professional email address or their business email address. We're not going to we're not going to what you call this scrape the personal email address. It can be scraped, but it's much better that we're going to focus on our business to business type of scraping because I'm not trying to tell you it's hard or yeah it's hard, but I don't want my scraper to be blocked by all system or by ISP filtering rules by other emails so or email servers. So yeah, we're just going to stay with business to business. Okay, it's been how many? There's a lot, so we're going to stop the scraping right now. And yeah, just follow me or subscribe to my channel so that I can give you some updates about the other scraper that I'm going to create for email address, company names, decision makers, and phone numbers. All right. Then later on, we're going to get their Facebook URL and or profile URL, their LinkedIn profile URL, and also some of the social media uh, platform. Okay. Now, yeah, I'm going to stop the scraper right now, and then see you on the next video, right? Just follow me and then hit the notification icon, okay? Thank you very much. Have a good day.